So now I know why people in the Philippines are so proud of BGC. Like, yeah, they speak of it so highly, and it's very clean as well.
With the DMZ.
What's DMZ?
You know that there is a south and north Korea.
Oh yeah. The build up, in between. In between. Did you go there?
That's it.
Oh,
But
wow.
we weren't able to do this.
So when I first arrived in the Philippines, whenever you meet a local, you ask them what area did they live in. Some of them will be like BGC, and if you ask another local like what do you recommend doing here in the Philippines, especially at night, they'll be like go to BGC. So when I was in the Philippines, like I just kept hearing BGC all the time. I didn't know like why it was so special, why everyone was so proud of it, and so they spoke so highly of it. So I was always intrigued just to know exactly why and what's the fascination with BGC. Even if someone doesn't live in that BGC area, they'll be like, oh, I live near BGC. Where do you work? I work near BGC, type of thing. Like everything was BGC. Is like if you say BGC, it's like a status symbol or something like that. And so I decided to just go there for myself, just to wander around and just to see exactly what the fuss is all about. And now I see why. Yeah, it's completely different from the rest of Manila, as I can say, because there was one point when I was just walking down the street and it kind of just hit me like I'm still in Manila. Because I don't know if you've been to, I think it's Pasay, where it's next to Mall of Asia, the area where Mall of Asia is, just further down in the south, where the airport is, I think, around that area there. And the amount of jeepneys, the amount of people, and the amount of tricycles that you will see there in traffic, yeah, it's just crazy. So at one point when I was walking around BGC, I was just like, I'm still in the same country, I'm still like in the same type of area. Because in BGC, I don't think jeepneys, I didn't see any jeepneys, so I don't think jeepneys they're allowed there. And I think tricycles as well, I didn't see a lot of tricycles, but obviously you see cars and you see what are they called again, those motorbike and joyride, yeah, going around picking up people, but traffic flows, yeah, the traffic lights work, because some of the places in like in Makati, there's normally a traffic conductor conducting the traffic, but when I was in BGC, like, I just saw the traffic lights controlling everything. Everything's moving around smoothly, and the buildings there is all like really nice fancy buildings, all look brand new as well, and they're still building some more as well. So now I know why people in the Philippines are so proud of BGC. Like, yeah, they speak of it so highly, and it's very clean as well, like very spacious. So many places you can just walk and just chill, and places to sit down as well. Like, there's so many sitting areas as well. Like, it just felt like you're completely in a different country. You're not in the Philippines anymore. So yeah, it was really good. It was just nice just to go outside and just to see it for myself, and yeah, take a few footages as well. So yeah, and this video is just me just talking about bits and pieces about my time in the Philippines, because yes, the videos now are coming to an end, and my travels as well is coming to an end. So yeah, just me just sitting here just reflecting on how things was as well. Yeah, it was pretty incredible. So yeah, in this video it's just gonna be a quick short one, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got to see a different side of the Philippines as well. And I'll see you guys on the next video. So goodbye for me.
YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Yes.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is God Given Agulong, traffic marshal in Ayala Center.
Traffic marshal.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good night. Thank you.
Thank you.